Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of C2 Vlogs. This is Bhavana and I welcome all of you to another episode of C2 Vlog. So this video is gonna about OER test, that is Official Intelligence Rating Test. And since many of you have asked me questions related to that, there is a personalized video for you as per your demand. So we will cover the first thing first and then I'll proceed to the next segment of this video. So the first question was OER repeated था या नया? So OER was repeated. हमें जो बुकलेट मिली थी that was old and there was some rough work also done there which were held by them using a whitener. And the second question is about the toughness. So OER was easy. I'm not gonna lie. Those candidates who has practiced enough, that would be a cakewalk for them. And for those candidates who hasn't, who are not familiar with the type of questions, they may find it difficult. So I won't say that it was tough. It was easy. And for both of them, you will get 30 minutes of time. So before starting your examination, they will conduct a warm-up test where they will try to familiar every candidates with the type of question they're actually gonna ask you. So they will introduce everything to you, and this is basically for freshers. So now that was it for the introduction part. Now we may proceed to the next segment of this video. So here I write down the topics from where the questions were asked, which I discuss further. So from here we will do what? So I'll provide you the questions and the related topic also, and you may comment down the answers. And for the answers, I will provide the answer at the end of this video. So I think you got it right. So let's proceed. The first topic is from synonyms and antonyms. So here you can see the question. Comment below the answers if you know the answer. And the second topic is from analogy. So the questions were asked, question will be asked like, if cloth is related to milk, which you can see here. If cloth is related to milk, then newspaper is related to what? Answer below. Third topic is from coding and decoding. So here they will ask from alphabetical orders like basic is coded as DDULA. Then leader is coded as coming the answer. Fourth one will be from direction sense test where they will ask questions like y is in the east of x, which is in the north of z. If P is in the south of Z, then in which direction Y is of P? So, answer below question. Moving to the next topic, the question was from classifications also, where they will ask you to separate the odd one from the group of 4. So, here you can see the question where there are 4 options available and you need to evaluate every option and observe a fixed pattern, and the one will not follow the pattern. So that will be the answer. The fifth, the next topic is from series questions. Series के questions बहुत सारे थे, so series and classifications को अच्छे से करके जाना. So here you can see the question. Comment down if you know the answer. The next topic was from sitting arrangement. हाँ, sitting arrangement से भी questions थे. एक दो questions थे. They like here you can see there are 5 horses. P, Q, R, S, T, P is right of Q and T is left of R and right of P. Q is right of S. Which horse is in the middle? You may answer. The next topic is from blood relation. Yeah, questions from blood relation were also there. So here you can see the question. A is B's brother. C is A's mother. D is C's father. E is B's son. So how is D is related to A? So if you know the answer, comment down. And the last topic from the verbal reasoning was from ranking. Like here you can see one question which I provided here. Vishal is elder than Akash but younger than Surbhi. Yaksh is younger than Deepak but elder than Akash. If Survi is younger than Deepak, then who is the eldest? comment down if you know the answer. So these part was from verbal reasoning only. ठीक है, so verbal reasoning के question ना even in fact I find बहुत easy, मुझे बहुत आसान लगा, मैंने टाइम से पहले ही ये करके बैठ गई. so it won't be that much hard. so थोड़े थोड़े टॉपिक्स है, जो जो टॉपिक मैंने बताए हैं वो सारे टॉपिक वही सारे हैं, मैंने चुनिंदा टॉपिक बताए हैं, जो भी मैंने बुक अभी खोला था उसमें से आपके लिए मैंने तैयार किया सारे टॉपिक्स, तो वही टॉपिक्स मैंने चूज किया जो जो टॉपिक वहाँ क्वेश्चन बुकलेट में थे. सो मैंने क्या ट्राई किया कि सारे क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड जो क्वेश्चन है वैसे मैं क्वेश्चन यहाँ दे दूँ आपको, ताकि आपको एक आइडिया मिल जाए कि टॉपिक से कैसे क्वेश्चन बन रहे हैं. आपको सारे प्रैक्टिस करना है, प्रैक्टिस अच्छे से कर लोगे, इट वोंट बी हार्ड, ट्रस्ट मी. Okay, so moving to the next segment, that is non-verbal part. So यहाँ तो I can provide only images also because यहाँ से questions figures के ही पूछे जाते हैं. So the questions were from first figure analogy, second series completion, third pattern completion, fourth sporting embedded figure, fifth one is mirror and water image, and the sixth one was from cube and dice question. So cube and dice से भी questions थे which were easy I would say. बाकी जो सारे ऊपर के पार्ट्स है, फिगर एनालॉजी, सीरीज कंप्लीशन, पैटर्न कंप्लीशन, स्पॉटिंग एम्बेडेड फिगर्स, ये सारे टॉपिक के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं ना काफी कॉम्प्लेक्स होते हैं. ऐसे भी नॉर्मल भी आपको क्या करना है, फिगर को देखकर समझना पड़ता है कि अच्छा ये फिगर ऐसा है तो इसके आगे का जो पैटर्न है वो कैसे बन रहा है. सो इन दैट पोर्शन आपको ये टाइम टेकिंग भी होता है थोड़ा सा, तो आपको थोड़ा टाइम भी लगता है. एंड मैनी टाइम्स क्या होता है कि क्वेश्चन आपको क्या लगेंगे, दो ऑप्शन आपको सिमिलर लगते रहेंगे, तो फिर वहां पे कंफ्यूजन आए, जो कि मेरे साथ भी हुआ था. मेरा जो पहला बुकलेट नंबर था 52 वो था और वर्बल पार्ट से, तो वर्बल वाज इजी, मैंने वो तुरंत कर लिया, बट नॉन वर्बल में टाइम मुझे लगा था. सो प्रैक्टिस के लिए इनफ करके जाना ना. और मिरर क्वार्टर इमेज के क्वेश्चन थे, डाइस के क्वेश्चन थे विच वर इजी. जो मुझे कंफ्यूजिंग पार्ट लगा वो सीरीज कॉम्प्लीशन, पैटर्न कॉम्प्लीशन, इम्बेडेड फिगर सबसे ज्यादा उसमें थोड़ा टाइम लग जाता है. सो वो सब देख लेना, बाकी आसान होगा, कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं होगा. ठीक है, दैट वॉज इट फॉर द OAR. दो ही टेस्ट होते हैं, मुझे दो बुकलेट मिली थी, बुकलेट नंबर 52, 53. 52 बुकलेट में मेरे वर्बल पार्ट था एंड 53 बुकलेट में मेरे नॉन वर्बल पार्ट था. सो ऐसे करके सारे टेस्ट थे. वहाँ क्या था कि कुछ क्वेश्चंस वर head by Whitener or which were initially marked by some candidate and they AFSP hid it by using Whitener. So those questions may or may not be right. So उस पर डिपेंड मत रहना कि वहाँ टिक लगा है या वहाँ पे Whitener लगा है तो मुझे लग रहा है शायद वो आंसर होगा तो वो लगा दूं, ऐसा काम मत करना. So क्योंकि अपने स्टेप पे जाओ, अपना जो तैयारी की हो उस पर बनाओ, क्योंकि वहां पे वो गलत भी लगा सकते हैं, उसके कारण आपका आता हुआ क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाएगा. सो ये काम मत करना. एंड यही होता है, बाकी आगे वो लोग आपको करवा देते हैं, वार्म प्रैक्टिस करवा ही देते हैं, सो आपको इतना डिफिकल्ट होगा नहीं. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope I cleared all of your questions. And if you have any further query, you can comment down below. I try to comment. I try to solve every queries of yours. So and if I find any more serious comments, then I'll try to make another video for that also. So that was it. Keep preparing for this defense examination. I know you will also succeed there. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like and subscribe my channel for the further videos, and keep watching. Bye bye.